How to turn off active status on Messenger. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn off the active status on Messenger. First, go to Messenger, and let's say you don't want to show your active status like this green icon. You don't want to show it to other person. You can just go to this menu icon right here, tap on it. Now tap on settings right here, and once you tap on settings, you will get active status option right here. Tap on it. Now you can just toggle this button off like this. Now you will get the message. Tap on this turn off, and boom, you have just turned off the active status on Messenger just like this. Super simple, right? Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and also hit the notification bell icon so that you stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.